Yes. So first thing is, guys, we will discuss the basics of time complexity. Okay, we'll not discuss all the cases, some of the cases that are very, very important for us. Is it okay? As we discuss further more and more algorithms, I'll discuss more and more complexities. Let's start. So see, yeah, initially you have a single for loop. For I starts from 0, I is less than or equals to n, I plus plus. Can someone tell me how many times will this loop run? How many times will this loop run? If my for loop is I is equals to 0, I is less than or equals to n, I plus plus, how many times my loop will run? Just in simple, how many times the loop will run technically? Yes, the loop is gonna run n times or not. If the value is 100, it will run 100 times. Yes. If the value is 1000, it will run 1000 times. Yes. If the value is 10,000, it is gonna run 10,000 times. Yes. In the same way, if the value itself is n, will it run n times or not? Yes. Any loop that is running in this case is called as order of n ka complexity. Is it clear? A single loop is always in order of n. Is it clear, guys? First complexity is clear. Any loop that is running only in this much time is called as order of n. Remember, all our hash map programs I have written till now, all our hash map programs I have written till now, including two sum, is running in, okay, all the hash maps I have written till now is running in the complexity of order of n. Is it clear? It may be subarray sum, it may be finding the duplicates, whatever it is. I have written everything in order of n because I have only single for loop. Inside the for loop, I have if else that doesn't matter in time complexity. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? First thing is clear. Now see the second case. Okay. I will discuss only three. I'll discuss only three for now. For I starts from 1, I is less than or equals to n, I plus plus. And then there is for j starts from 1, j is less than or equals to n, j plus plus. Okay. Then I am gonna print. I'm just gonna print system dot out dot print me a star. I'm just gonna print a star. Now guys, when the value of I is equals to 1, focus, when the value of I is equals to 1, if I take the value of n as 5, so can I say I will have 5 star or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yes? Yes? When the value of I is equals to 1, because my j is running 5 times here, because my j runs 5 times. Pakka, my j runs 5 times. Next, the value of I becomes 2. Again, my j is gonna run 5 times. Yes? 5 times. Next time the value of I becomes 3. Again my j is gonna run 5 times. Next time the value of I becomes 4. Again the value of j runs 5 times. Next time the value of I becomes 5. Again my j runs how many times? 5 times. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? So see here, in total, how many times did the loop run? This is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. What does the total make up, guys? The total is gonna make a iteration called as 25 times. Yes or no? Yes or no? 25 times. So see here, in simple, if my I is gonna run 5 times, each time my j is gonna run 5 times. So total iterations by 25. Tell me, guys, what maths can you apply? Is 5 plus 5 is equals to 25? No. Is 5 minus 5 is equals to 25? No. Is 5 into 5 is equals to 25 or not? So if this is n, if this is also n, can I say multiplication is coming in between or not? This complexity is called as order of n square. Is it clear? Is it clear? This complexity is called as order of n square. Everybody got it, guys? Everybody got it? Sure? Sure? Yes, n square becomes n square. Yes, it's n square. Now see this. Now see this. I'll show you one more thing. Okay, see this. For I starts from 1, I is less than or equals to 5, I plus plus. Then for j starts from I plus 1, j is less than or equals to n, j plus plus. Is it clear? The difference is clear this time? The difference is clear? Now see this, guys. When the value of I is equals to 1, my j starts from 2. Yes or no? When the value of I is equals to 1, my j starts from 2. Yes or no? I plus 1 ka case. 1 plus 1 makes it what now? 2. Is it correct? Did you understand? Then 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. These are the values of j. Yes. Everybody got it? These are the values of j. Let me increase it. Wait. 10 to 10. I'll make it 10 to 10. So in the first iteration, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the values of j or not? Next time, the value of I becomes 2. My j starts from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes? Everybody accepting? Next time, the value of I becomes 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next time, the value of I becomes 4. J is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next time, the value of I is equals to 5. J is nothing but 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Next time, the value of I is 6. J becomes 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Next time, the value of I becomes 7. J is 8, 9, 10. J is 8, 9, 10. And finally, the value of I becomes 8 now. My value of j is 9, 10. Finally, the value of I is 9. The value of j becomes 10. Yes or no? Next time, the value of I becomes 10, but j becomes 11. But 11 is not less than or equals to 10. So the condition fails. So this part is not executed. Yes or no? Is it the only part of consideration or not, guys? Is it the only part of consideration or not? Yes? Yes? Paka? Good. So say this. Hmm. Guys, now say this. Here my loop is running how many times? One time or not? Here my loop is running two times or not? Here my loop is running three times or not? Here it is running four times. Yes? And here my loop is running five times. Here my loop is running how many times? Six times. Here my loop is running seven. Here my loop is running eight. Here my loop is running nine. Yes or no, guys? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. Is it correct or wrong? Is it correct or wrong? Now understand. Is it 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 or not? Can I say this is the sum of first n natural numbers or not? Can I say it is sum of first n natural numbers or not? Remember, the sum of first n natural numbers is given by a mathematical formula called as n into n plus 1 by 2. Heard of this formula, guys? I heard of this mathematical formula. Now understand. If I try to solve it, it becomes n square plus n whole divided by 2. Is it correct? If I just multiply this n with n here, this becomes n square plus n whole divided by 2. So now if I separate the digits, guys, you can write it as n square by 2 upon 2 plus n by 2. Correct? Mathematically, if there is something called as a plus b upon c, you can rewrite the equation as a by c plus b by c. Is it okay? Mathematically, it is allowed. Is it clear, guys? Anybody got it? Everybody got how I derived this much? Now understand, in time complexity, there is a rule. The rule is we always consider n is infinity. N is infinity. So if n is equals to infinity, the equation is n plus 1. Infinity plus 1 will be infinity or not? Infinity plus 1 is infinity or not? We can ignore the constants and write it as n here. For example, if I have n plus such a big number also, the answer is still n only, because infinity plus any number gives you the answer called as infinity. Because, is it clear, guys? In the same way, now you tell me, infinity divided by 2 is also what? Yes. Infinity divided by 2 is also infinity. Remember, now, can I say, shall I remove this divided symbol or not? Because it is meaningless. N square divided by 2, I can remove the divided symbol. Here also, n by 2, I can divide by 2 symbol. Why? Infinity by 2 is also infinity. Infinity square by 2 is also infinity. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear till now? Now you tell me. Infinity square plus infinity. What will be the answer? Which one is larger? Infinity square plus infinity. Among these two, which one is large? Infinity square is large or infinity is large? Pick the largest value. Yes. Since infinity square is largest, if you try to write the time complexity of this one, order of n square plus n, we write the highest form of n. This becomes order of n square only. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? So here also the time is order of n square, and here also the time is order of n square. If two loops are running one inside other, it doesn't matter what value you give for j, the time complexity will still be what now? Order of n square only. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Two cases are clear. That is, you don't worry about maths. You remember, if there is a single for loop, this is always order of n. Okay. If there are two for loops, inside a for loop, there is one more for loop. If this is the case, it is a nested for loop. This is order of n square. Is it okay, guys? Can we remove the square? No. You cannot remove the square. Okay, it's a very large number. Infinity. If I take infinity as if I take infinity as 1000 for now, what is 1000 square, guys? 100, 100. Yes or no? So which one is large in this? Which one is large? N is large or n square is large? N is large or n square is large? N square is large. Okay, so you cannot remove the root power. If there are powers, you have to keep the highest power. Is it clear? Among these two, n square is gonna run more number of times. So you cannot just delete it like this. This is not allowed. Okay, you cannot remove the powers. Powers will remain as it is. Is it clear, guys? Till now, is it clear? Cube also same. Yes, cube is also same. Till now, is it clear? So now imagine I have my I, just understand. I have my I loop. Okay. Inside my I loop, I have my J loop. Inside my J loop, I have my K loop. Can you see the sequence now? Inside my I, there is J. Inside my J is there is K. What will be the time complexity, guys? What will be the time complexity? N square or n cube? N square or n cube? Let me say this is gonna run n times, and let me say this is also gonna run n times, and this is gonna run n times. So what is the time complexity? N cube. Why is it n cube? Because my I is gonna run n times or not? For every value of my I, J will run n times or not? For every value of J, K will run n times or not? Because you already know this is order of n square. One loop running inside the other is order of n square. Yes or no? This complete thing, if it is order of n square, if this complete thing is order of n square, then this is running how many times now? N times. So what is the time complexity, guys? Order of n cube. Is it clear? This is order of n to the power 3. Is it clear for everyone? It will not be order of n square, it will be order of n cube. Clear? As the power increases, time also increases. Is it clear? No problem. I'll resume. You got it already. They would have started crying by now. Yeah, by now they'll be crying. I know. Don't worry, don't cry. I'm here only. Oh, what a drama. And next level drama. Yeah, is it clear? So the time, what it will be doing? Order of n cube. As that power increases, the time also increases. This takes you to bad time complexity, guys. Is it clear? This takes to bad time complexities. Is it clear? Everybody got it? And remember, getting the output is not your only concern. Getting your output is not the only concern. You also have to reduce the time. Is it clear? Everybody got it? Getting the output should not all be the concern. Your time should be reducing the time complexity also. Is it clear till now? Generally, you have to write the programs in order of n. Worst case, nahi chala. Worst case, what you people can do is order of n square. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Is it clear?